Hi there, Kent Larsen here from Smart House Electric. How to change a solution pump on a VersaSpa. And so here it's important that you have disconnected your box or your jug of solution up above. If you don't, well, then you got to get a little bit of a shower out of that hose once you get it disconnected. Because right here, what we're disconnecting there, we're taking off the hose clamp or loosening up the hose clamp, and then we're going to take that hose off, and that's the inlet. That's where the solution comes from, the jug. And so disconnecting the outlet here, the outlet hose, and just so you know that we are on the back side of the solution drawer. So underneath where you have your solution on the VersaSpa, if you look on the other side of where those are and look underneath them, you will see all this arrangement here. And so we got our hoses disconnected. Now we gotta release our pump from the actual solution drawer, and there sits two screws with a nut above, diagonal on that pump, on that bracket. And so what I do is that I take a needle nose pair of pliers and a screwdriver underneath. Use my drill in that case there, as it goes a little quicker. And now, once you have those out, you can now take the pump out and bring in the new one, and then transfer. Now you got to transfer your wires to the new pump. Make sure you have the same polarity. That means that black and red is on the same spot as it was before. So I recommend taking one wire at a time. And so you make sure that you get them exactly back into the same position. One thing to notice is that on the new pump, they will come with these little black covers at the inlet and outlet, and you of course got to remove those before you can put the hoses back on. So let's screw that back on. See, I put the screw up through the bottom, and then I can sink the pump down into with its hole down onto that screw. And I'll get another one, and then you can get the other screw also on, and tighten down your pump, and then we can get our hoses back on. One thing in addition to all this, this is pretty straightforward. This is how simple it is to change one of these pumps. But now this pump is going to have a different characteristic than the old one. And so you're going to have to have a precise session and dosage of DHA. You're going to now need to calibrate it. And so I'm going to soon post a video on how to do that, how to make a calibration. But you know, once we got our hoses back on, you can use this the way it is, and you will have, you know, the right percentage difference between level 1, 2, and 3 and everything. But really, I recommend calibrating. So this is all there is to it, and thank you for watching.